music, poetry of footsteps that was indeed a lovely to behold.
Music is the soothing source that lightens the burden, calms the troubled, serens the self, and delights the ears. From time immemorial, music plays a vital role in the life of every human in charming the soul and body and fully involved with the melodies and rhythms with the blend of delightful voice.
With grateful hearts, we lift up our thanks and praise to God Almighty for the numerous works He has done in our lives. We blend our voice with gratitude from our hearts. Now, I invite the Nightingales of Mass family to delight us with their melodious voice.
nightingales for enchanting us with your melodious voice.
I will prove the older generation that they are wrong about me. Let them know I have intelligence and skills. I will show them what I am made up of.
This is the cry of every teenager to prove himself his worth. They have vision, they have dreams, but many times they choose the wrong driving force like wrong friendship.
The youth are the backbone to the nation. They can change the future of the society with their well-being and courageous behavior. Properly handled, they create history. Let us not condemn them, but support and encourage in their every step to achieve success.
We welcome our friends to Stage Escape, revealing the different faces of youth.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. And then the whining schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail unwillingly to school. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow. Then a soldier, full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard, jealous in honour, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. Then the justice, in fair round belly with good capon lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern instances. And so he plays his part. The 6th age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side, his youthful hose well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice turning again toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
Among all these ages, there is one age in our lives which always stands out as the most unforgettable, thrilling, and mischievous prime of our lives. And that is our student life. Let's all scroll back to our beloved classrooms.
Hey guys, hey. Settle down quickly. Submit your projects. Submit.
What's your problem, man? Early morning, coming and asking for a project? Just shut up.
Hey, keep quiet, okay? You wanna get suspended?
ए सर के चमचे कोई और काम नहीं है क्या तेरे को?
Dude, I'm just doing my job, okay? My job. Sir asked me to collect the project, and I'm just doing it. And today is the last day. Do it fast.
എന്താടാ ചാകോച്ച രാവിലെ തന്നെ വേറെ പണിയില്ലേ? Take it easy, yaar.
Hey guys, sir only asked him to collect.
Hi guys. Hey Masakali, what's up?
Submit your project.
ए सुबह सुबह कोई दूसरा काम नहीं है क्या तेरे को? जिधर देखो पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, at home parents, school में teachers. I'm fed up यार.
What else otherwise?
Come, I'll tell you.
हिस्ट्री लेक्चर है, मिस्ट्री पिक्चर है, दोनों में वोट दी रोशन है बोर जानी, चित्तरी मुर्दों की है कहानी। अरे गीतों की फाइटों की फिल्म देखो, ब्रेक डांस डिस्को डांस मिलके नाचो। जगड़ी 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 जाम, जगड़ी 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 जाम। मार्च का सोचो तो इम्तिहान बनो तो ठंडे पसीने। अच्छा अरे गाना है तो सुर में गाओ वरना मत गा। मार्च का ऐसे चैत, अरे सुर में प्लीज प्लीज। मार्च का सोचो तो इम्तिहान बोलो तो ठंडे पसीने चले। अरे कोई तो समझाओ, इतना तो बतलाओ, है कौन रास्ते भले। काहे को है राह बोले राजा, एक रास्ता है मैं दिखलाऊंगा।
अरे काहे को सितंबर भूला है तू, सप्लीमेंट्री का शहंशाह है तू।
ये क्या हो रहा है? इम्तिहान सर पर है, तुम लोग नाच रहे हो।
Hey guys, Prince is coming. I swear, man, he's coming here only.
Very good morning. Good to see you studying seriously.
Yes, sir. Exams coming next month.
Okay, study well and come out with flying colors. Yes, sir. Who is this Sadiq?
Sir, that Pappu.
Pappu? What Pappu?
Sir, Sadiq's nickname is Pappu.
Congratulations, Sadiq. You cleared your compartment. Sadiq, are you from Bangladesh?
Yes, sir.
Boys, you are really lucky enough to study with the children not only from the different states of India, but also from different countries of the world. You know that we have 33 different nationalities studying here under one roof in one uniform. You must be proud of that. Yes, sir. Good, study well, and I wish you best of luck for your examinations. Remember, hard work is the mother of good luck.
Thank you, sir. अरे पप्पू पास हो गए। आओ रे नाचो रे झूम रे गाओ कि आज किनियो खास है मेरू पप्पू पास वेगे, पप्पू पास वेगे, मेरू पप्पू पास वेगे, मेरू पप्पू पास वेगे।
What the hell is going on here?
Sir, we are celebrating Pappu's success.
Oh, so Pappu pass ho gaya.
At last, he succeed.
Okay, boys, sit silently. All the teachers are busy attending meeting with principal. Don't make noise. Monitor, mind the class.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Masakali, what do you mean by at last I'm succeed?
I mean what I mean.
I mean what I mean. Do you know what does Masakali mean?
Yeah, I know, but I'm sure you don't know anything. Duffer. Hey guys, Pappu doesn't know what is Masakali.
Come, I'll tell you.
Listen carefully. Next week, we have a football match. I want you people to give your name to the monitor. Monitor, today itself.
Yes, sir. Yes. Hey guys, quickly, give a name. Give a name.
This time I am going to play with Mallu team.
Still ashamed for your last year's defeat?
Good morning, boys.
Good morning, sir.
What's going on over there?
Nothing, sir. We are just planning for annual day program.
Oh well, our today's lesson is also about stage and acting.
Really, sir?
Yes. Now take out your books. Page number 17. 7 Ages of Man by Shakespeare. The world is compared to stage and human life is compared to the role of an actor in the drama. The parts that men have to play on the stage of this world are varied, colorful and changing. When born as infants, all of us are looked after and cared for by the mother. A little later, we grow into school-going children and perform our role in that capacity. In adolescence, we play the role of a lover. In the youth of life, we act like soldiers, guarding our honor and earning reputation. Then in declining youth and in old age, we become unable to play the role of bravery, and this age is compared as the second childhood. In this way, each of us plays many parts on the stage of this world. Actors may come and actors may go, but the stage goes on forever and ever.
Thank you, sir.
Hey guys. The Shakespeare says correctly. We are only actors. Our directors are different. At home, our parents. Do this, don't do this. Go there, don't go there. Time to sleep, now time to get up. In school, our teachers. Don't do this, don't do that. And between these parents and teachers, circuit chamche monitors. I've had it.
You're true, bro. It is our life, but directed by others. See, I don't want to study bio, and father has already booked my seat in MBBS. Now I'm forced to study bio. Actually, it is our life, but controlled by others.
What serious discussion you have started, yaar. See, when life out of control, you know what to do?
What? जब life हो out of control, होठों को करके गोल. होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल. Life हो out of control, होठों को करके गोल. होठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल. कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा. होठ घुमाओ, सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज मैन. अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन. कंफ्यूजन ही कंफ्यूजन है, सॉल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं. सॉल्यूशन जो मिला तो सारा क्वेश्चन क्या था पता नहीं. अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन. अरे चाचू ऑरेंज मैन. अरे भैया ऑरेंज मैन.
Hey guys, remember me?
Proud of Ideal, ex-head boy. Master, oh sorry, Mr. Prashant Praladin. Still teachers give you example. You're most welcome back to your school.
Thanks guys. Before entering class, I was listening to your discussion. When I was a student here, I too used to think the same. But when I left school, I realized the importance of school. Whatever our teachers and our parents do for us is for our better future. Just have faith in your parents and your teachers and you'll see all is well. I tell you, whatever I am today is because of this school, these teachers. My school days, they were the best days of my life. I still miss them. That's why I come back here, to see my school and my teachers. If we could go back in time, believe me, everyone would want to come back here. This life, student life, It's the best. And our school is the best. Best place on earth. Ideal is the best. And we should all be proud to be idealites.
After all these years underneath your shield, we now understand how wonderful you were to us. As we move on into our own worlds, we're proud to say we're proud to be idealized. We are proud to be idealized. We are proud to be
Thank you, friends, for your skit was very thought-provoking and relevant.
Dance is one of the many human expressions where the words are replaced with bodily posture and facial expressions. Dance exists from time immemorial. Different dances depict the different colors of different parts of the global world. The dragon dance of China and hip hop of America reveal the scattered colors of the fascinating world. We choose to be different.
Now, we are going to behold a Korean dance in which slow and brisk movements of heavenly damsels add beauty to the formation of many kinds. The Korean fan dance is used to help pass down stories and tradition of their culture. It also serves as entertainment. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome our friends to perform a marvelous dance. friends for your unique and creative performance. We are honored by the presence of Mr. Amit Mandal, the MLA of Godda. Sir, you have made all of us proud by your distinguished work in numerous capacities. Now, I humbly invite you to motivate the young minds with your motivating words.
First of all, I'd like to thank Reverend Father Jose, Father Thomas, Father Marius, Father George, brothers, sisters, teachers, and above all, our talented students. I'd also like to thank guest of honor for his presence, for his time, and above all the artists, young kids who performed in a really, really nice way. I'm not sure how many of you know me here because this is not my workplace. I belong to Godda and I am an MLA, Godda. You all saw a historic by-election which happened in 2016. And this by-election happened because of sad demise of my father, late Sri Raghunandan Mandal. I know you have your relatives, your friends in Godda, so you know from them the incidents, the elections, the campaigns, and above all, a change in my life. You know, I did my higher studies from University of Bradford, England, and then I was working in London for approximately 3-4 years. But this is not what I am. You see me as a politician now. You see me as a matured person. You see me talking to you, listening to you, understanding your problems, trying to solve your problems. You see me in news, you see me in news channels debating about CNT, SPT and whatnot. But the foundation, the person who I am belongs, and all the credit goes to one family, and that is Montagian family. I'm not sure how many of you know it, but I also belong to the same family, but in a different city. I did my schooling from Mount SSS School, Bhagalpur. I completed my 10th, completed my 12th, and then I did my engineering. So it's been like a long time and a great bondage association with this family. So I know it from bottom of my heart. Whatever the students out here learn, that learning and that perseverance actually makes him or her a better person in life. I am not only 100% sure, but I know from bottom of my heart, all the talented kids, all the talented person out there in the real world gets the knowledge, gets the skill, gets the talent from this particular place, and that is Mount SSC. Mount SSC has a very long history, a long legacy, a heritage culture, heritage schooling environment, and that all counts towards making a life, towards making a person a better person. You know, there are ups and downs in life. You sometimes get a good situation in life, sometimes you encounter a bad situation, a tense situation. The way you react, the way you respond, the way you tackle the challenges is all because of an institution. It's all because of the learning, and it's all because of the knowledge you get here that you impart and that you try to implement in real life. My confidence, my style, my way of talking, my way of working, being a human person, the way I approach to a normal situation, a difficult situation, is all because of a continuous learning curve which happens in the institution. So I truly thank from my bottom of my heart this institution for giving me this opportunity to excel in life, to see life in a different perspective. And believe me, not all people out here are privileged enough to get the same kind of education. अगर आप सरकारी स्कूलों को देखते हैं तो वहाँ पे इतनी फैसिलिटी नहीं होती है, इतना अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट नहीं होता है. लेकिन मैं पूरे दावे के साथ कहता हूँ, जब हम लोग स्कूल में थे तो हमारे टीचर्स, हमारे प्रिंसिपल्स, हमारे कलीग सब ये भी चिंता करते थे कि हम कैसे अच्छी एजुकेशन को लें, और साथ ही जो उतने प्रिविलेज्ड स्टूडेंट्स नहीं हैं सोसाइटी में, उनको कैसे हम और बेहतर बनाएं, उनकी लाइफ को कैसे बेहतर बनाएं. मुझे याद है जब मैं अपने स्कूल के दिनों में था तो वहाँ हम लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ के तौर पर दूसरे छोटे जगहों पे जाने के लिए बोला जाता था, जहाँ हम लोग जाके छोटे छोटे बच्चों को कुछ पढ़ाते थे, कुछ सिखाते थे, जो कि उतने प्रिविलेज अपने सोसाइटी में नहीं होते. तो ऐसी संस्कार, ऐसी सभ्यता भी हमें स्कूल से मिलती है, और ये स्कूल नेशन को पहले रखकर, समाज को पहले रखकर बच्चों को बनाता है, बच्चों का भविष्य बनाता है. तो ये हम सबका कर्तव्य बनता है कि ऐसे कार्यक्रमों में यहाँ आए, और भी अगर कोई कार्यक्रम में जाने का मौका मिले तो हम अपना 100% अपना समय जो कभी कभी वाकई में कम पड़ जाता है उनको दें, ताकि यहाँ पे बच्चों का मनोबल बढ़े, टीचर्स का मनोबल बढ़े, और साथ ही साथ यहाँ पे जो स्टाफ हैं जो लगातार निरंतर प्रयास करते हैं कि कैसे एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट दे, उनका मनोबल बढ़े. तो इसी उद्देश्य के साथ मैं यहाँ आया था, आप लोगों को बीच में, आप लोगों को इनकरेज करने, आप लोगों के साथ ये 10वीं सालगिरह जो बना रहे हैं उनमें शरीक होने, क्योंकि आपके सुख दुख में मैं हमेशा शामिल रहूँगा, क्योंकि मैं भी इस सोसाइटी का, इस स्कूल का हिस्सा हूँ. और जितनी भी मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में अचीवमेंट्स हुए हैं, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल हो, चाहे वो पर्सनल हो, और चाहे वो पॉलिटिकल हो, इन सब का श्रेय मैं माउंट एसएससी को देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि माउंट एसएससी ने मुझे वो बनाया है जो मैं आज आपके सामने दिख रहा हूँ. साथ ही मैं यहाँ पे जितने भी पेरेंट्स बैठे हैं उन सबको आश्वस्त कर देना चाहता हूँ कि जिस दिन आपने अपने बच्चों को इस स्कूल में डाला, उस दिन से आपकी आधी तकलीफ़ अपने बच्चों के करियर को लेके वहीं ख़त्म हो गई. क्योंकि यहाँ के जो टीचर्स हैं, मैं पर्सनली इस चीज़ को बोल सकता हूँ, इस चीज़ को अनुभव कर सकता हूँ कि वो दी बेस्ट हैं, उसके बाद और कोई टीचर्स नहीं. आप अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. अभी आपने एक स्किट, एक ड्रामा देखा जिसमें आपने ये देखा कि कैसे एक बच्चा बड़ा होता है और कैसे ये स्कूल की महत्वता, कितनी जो इम्पोर्टेंस होता है उसके लाइफ में होता है. जब मैं वो स्किट को देख रहा था तो मुझे अपने बचपन की यादें आ गई, जब मैं क्लास 10th में हुआ करता था और बहुत ही शरारती हुआ करता था. हालांकि पढ़ने में मैं मीडियोकर था, लेकिन बदमाशी में मैं अव्वल था. और जब भी प्रिंसिपल की कैबिन की घंटी बजती थी, मुझे पक्का यकीन हो जाता था कि वहाँ से कॉल आना है. अब कॉल आता था, उसके साथ पेरेंट्स कॉल भी कभी कभी हो जाता था, कभी सस्पेंशन का भी माहौल हो जाता था. तो उससे मैं बहुत डरता था, लेकिन साथ ही दोस्तों के साथ बैठता था तो बदमाशी करने का भी मन करता था. तो ये जो स्किट दिखाया गया, उससे जो मेरी ज़िंदगी में बचपन में जो मैंने अपने हसीन लम्हों को बिताया है वो याद आई, तरोताज़ा हो गया. इसके लिए मैं सारे आर्टिस्ट को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. साथ ही मैं आप लोगों को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ, भले ही मेरा कार्य क्षेत्र गोड्डा हो, लेकिन जब जब पड़ियाहाट में मेरी ज़रूरत होगी, स्कूल को मेरी ज़रूरत होगी, तो मैं सदैव आपकी सेवा में तत्पर रहूँगा. मैं इन्हीं सब शब्दों के साथ एक बार फिर से माउंट एसएससी की इस विशाल फैमिली को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा और साथ ही उनको ऑल द बेस्ट कहते हुए आप सभी से विदा लूँगा। धन्यवाद।